how are you all? I hope you all are fine. I'm your maths teacher अंजलि दहिया. Start करते हैं आज का topic area and perimeter. In this chapter you will learn about area, finding area by using square paper, deriving formula for the area of rectangle and square, perimeter, finding perimeter of irregular figures, finding perimeter of regular figures. Now area. You might have seen that when we put an object on a plane surface, it occupies some space of the surface. The space occupied by the object is called its area. Observe the following figure. The shaded portion of the above figure is the area of these figures. Now, units of area. Generally, the area of a figure is measured in square centimeters, but the smaller areas are measured in square millimeters and the bigger areas are measured in square meter. The area of a country is measured in square kilometer. 1 mm. Side कितनी है 1 mm. Area is equals to 1 mm square. 1 centimeter area is 1 centimeter square. 1 meter area is 1 meter square. The area of a square of side 1 mm is 1 square millimeter written as 1 square mm or 1 millimeter square. The area of a square of side 1 centimeter is 1 square centimeters written as 1 square centimeter or 1 centimeter square. The area of a square of side 1 meter is 1 square meter written as 1 square meter or 1 meter square. Now finding area by using square paper. Follow the given steps to find the area of a figure by using a square paper. Step करते हैं. Step 1. Take a square paper and trace the given figure on it as shown below. Now step 2. Now count the number of complete squares enclosed by the figure. जितने complete squares इसमें आ रहे हैं उनको count करेंगे. Step 3. Count the number of those squares in which more than half part of the figure is enclosed and treat each of them as one complete square. Now step 4. Count the number of those squares in which half part is enclosed and treat two such squares as one complete square. That is, each such square is 1 by 2 square. Now step 5. Ignore those squares in which less than half part is enclosed. Sum of all these squares obtained from step 2 to step 4 is the area of the figure. Number of complete square, जब हमने count किया तो number of complete square is 12. Number of squares enclosing more than half part of the figure is equals to 10. Then number of squares enclosing half part of the figure is 1. So area of the figure is 12 complete parts, 10 more than half and 1 क्या है half. तो half of 1 square meter that is 22.5 square units. तो बच्चों सेम मेथड को यूज करते हुए एक्सरसाइज आप खुद ट्राई करेंगे. Now next is deriving formula for the area of rectangle and square. Let us find out the formula for calculating the area of rectangle and square. In the adjoining rectangle, there are 4 rows of 5 squares each or 5 columns in 4 squares each. तो यहाँ पे हमारा 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. This means 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5 is equals to 20 or 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4 is also equals to 20. So the area of rectangle is 20 square units. Instead of counting every box in each row or column, we can multiply the number of rows by the number of columns. That is 4 multiplied by 5 is equals to 20. Thus, area of the rectangle is equals to length multiplied by breadth. In the same way, we can find the area of a square. Thus, area of the square is equals to side into side because square की all sides are equal. So, side multiply by side. Example करते हैं. Find the area of a rectangle whose length is 9 centimeter and breadth is 7 centimeter. Solution करते हैं. Length of the rectangle is 9 centimeter, breadth of the rectangle is 7 centimeter, and we know that area of the rectangle is length multiplied by breadth, that is 9 centimeter multiply by 7 centimeter. 9 7 जा 63 and centimeter को centimeter से multiply किया square centimeter. So the area of the rectangle is 63 square centimeter. Next example, find the area of a square whose each side is 8 centimeter. Solution करते हैं. Side of the square is 8 centimeter and we know the area of the square is side into side. That is 8 centimeter multiplied by 8 centimeter, that is equals to 64 square centimeter. So the area of square is 64 square centimeter. तो बच्चों सेम मेथड को यूज करते हुए एक्सरसाइज आप खुद ट्राई करेंगे. Now next is perimeter. Perimeter. The sum of the lengths of all the sides of a closed figure is called its perimeter. Activity. Observe the top of your study table. It has 4 edges or sides. To measure the total length of these sides, follow the given steps. Step 1. Name the 4 corners P, Q, R and S. Step 2. Measure the length of each side in centimeter. Length of PQ, length of PQ, length of QR, length of RS and length of SP. Step 3. Find the sum of the lengths of the given sides PQ, QR, RS and SP. सबको ऐड कर देंगे. So the total length of the sides of the top of your study table is, तो जो भी आपका मेजरमेंट आया, मान लो यहाँ पे मैं लिखती हूँ this is 5 and this is 4. So 5 plus 4 plus 5 plus 4. So कितना आ जाएगा? 5 plus 4 plus 5 plus 4 is 5 plus 5 10, 10 और 4 plus 4 is 8. That is 18 centimeter. Right? जो भी आपका मेजरमेंट हो. We call this as the perimeter of the top of the table. Now units of perimeter. The unit of perimeter is the unit of side of a figure. That is, it may be meter, centimeter or millimeter. Now finding perimeter of irregular figures. We can find the perimeter of an irregular figure by using the given formula. क्या है? Perimeter of any irregular figure is equals to sum of the length of the all sides of the irregular figure. Example करते हैं. Find the perimeter of the given figure. Irregular figure है, solution करते हैं. Perimeter of the given figure is equals to sum of the lengths of all the sides. सारी sides का सम कर देंगे. 4 centimeter plus 2 centimeter plus 2 centimeter plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 2. That is equals to, यहाँ से start करते हुए 4, 2, 1, 1, 1, 1 and 2. That is equals to 14 centimeter. तो बच्चों सेम मेथड को यूज करते हुए एक्सरसाइज आप खुद ट्राई करेंगे. Now next is finding perimeter of regular figures. A. From the adjacent square we have perimeter of the square is 2 centimeter plus 2 centimeter plus 2 centimeter plus 2 centimeter. That is equals to 4 times 2 centimeter or 4 multiplied by side. So the perimeter of square is equals to 4 multiplied by side. Example करते हैं. Find the perimeter of a square whose side is 4 centimeter. Solution करते हैं इसका. Side of the square is 4 centimeter and we know the perimeter of the square is 4 multiplied by side. So 4 multiplied by 4 centimeter is equals to 16 centimeter. So the perimeter of the square is 16 centimeter. Now B. From the adjacent rectangle we have perimeter of the rectangle. इसके हम क्या करेंगे? 4 centimeter plus 3 centimeter plus 4 centimeter plus 3 centimeter. So 2 times हमारा क्या है? 4 and 2 times हमारा क्या है? 3 and 4 and 3 is the length and breadth. So 2 times length plus 2 times breadth. Thus the perimeter of rectangle is 2 into, दोनों में 2 common है, under bracket length plus breadth. Example करते हैं इसका हम. The length and breadth of a rectangle are 6 cm and 2 cm respectively. Find the perimeter of the rectangle. Solution करते हैं. Length of the rectangle is 6 cm. Breadth of the rectangle is 2 cm. And we know that perimeter of rectangle is 2 multiplied by under bracket length plus breadth. So 2 multiplied by 6 cm plus 2 cm, that is equals to 8 cm. 2 8s are 16. That is 16 cm. So the perimeter of the rectangle is 16 cm. Now, next example. The perimeter of a rectangle is 64 cm and length is 18 cm. Find its breadth. Solution करते हैं. हमें क्या given है? Perimeter given है, that is 64 cm. Length given है, that is 18 cm. And we know that perimeter of the rectangle is 2 into length plus breadth. अब जो जो given है उसकी value रख देंगे. Perimeter है 64 cm, 2 into length है 18 plus breadth. Now 2 इधर मल्टीप्लाई हो रहा है, अपोजिट साइड जाके डिवाइड हो जाएगा. 2 1 जा 2, 2 3 जा 6, 2 2 जा 4, दैट इज 32. नाउ 18 प्लस हो रहा है, अपोजिट साइड आके क्या हो जाएगा? माइनस हो जाएगा. दैट बिकम्स द ब्रेथ. सो ब्रेथ इज इक्वल्स टू 32 सेंटीमीटर माइनस 18 सेंटीमीटर इज इक्वल्स टू 14 सेंटीमीटर. सो द ब्रेथ ऑफ द रेक्टेंगल इज 14 सेंटीमीटर. तो बच्चों सेम मेथड को यूज करते हुए एक्सरसाइज आप खुद ट्राई करेंगे. तो बच्चों आई होप आपको चैप्टर समझ आया. इसका रिवीजन आप खुद करेंगे.